हेलो एंड यू वाचिंग क्लैप ट्रैप, वी आर बैक अगेन। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। ये है एपिसोड नंबर 2। आज हम आपको बहुत सारे बेड कवर्स दिखाएंगे। पिछले एपिसोड में हमने बहुत सारे बेड शीट्स एक्सप्लोर किए थे इस स्टोर के। अगर आपको वो एपिसोड देखना है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लीजिए, वहाँ पे हम URL पेस्ट करेंगे। तो चलिए छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन लेते पहले, फिर बेड
Hi,
कवर्स
Amani.
दिखाएंगे।
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm all good, all excited to, just show you a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. But we have a culture to follow.
Yes,
And to
okay.
start with, we'll start with the basic question about the company.
Sure.
So, what is the name of the company?
So the name of the company is BNS,
Uh-huh.
and we are dealing in a lot of handloom and things, which is, for example, like a bed sheet and carpets and blankets. And we're more than like 100 years old in this business.
All right. So,
Yes.
going to start now.
Yeah.
Now, what are we going to see?
Now we'll see bed covers.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is a bed cover? Like how you're raising your eyebrows, I'll just tell you that
You notice the frown.
Yes,
Okay.
I did.
Okay.
So basically, in India, people do confuse between bed and bed covers. A lot of people don't know about what bed covers are. So I'll just quickly tell you, why and how is it used. So, in India, especially, in all the metropolitan cities, the pollution level, the kind of germs, inside our house also persists. So to cover that and to, be very, very safe, people do, use a bed cover.
Okay.
Yeah. So which is basically used on the bed sheet.
Okay.
You basically have that on your bed sheet, so that once you are on the bed, you're sleeping at the night, you can easily remove it and then sleep on the bed sheet. Okay, that's the whole concept. Of course, a lot of household have kids just like ours, so the whole day they create a mess on it. So while you're sleeping, you need a clean
and,
a clean
An
bed sheet.
infection-free, healthy bed sheet, right?
Yes,
Okay.
which is very nicely tucked in and everything.
Okay.
The bed sheet. So that's where the bed cover is used.
All right.
Those are those are queen size only, but those are very easily, can cover any
ठीक है.
bed and bed sheet.
All right. So, if
Yes.
you approve of this, I will wrap up this in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
हिंदी व्यूअर्स के लिए कि बेड शीट्स जो है कन्वेंशनली तो बेड के ऊपर इस्तेमाल होती हैं। बेड कवर्स आर बेसिकली, हिंदी में बोलना है मुझे।
हाँ जी।
बेड कवर्स जो है वो एक आपकी बेडशीट का प्रोटेक्शन है, जो आपकी बेडशीट्स को पेट्स, बच्चे, किसी तरह की सॉलिड वेस्ट या फिर जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनसे कवर करते हैं।
Yes.
और आपकी बेडशीट जो है वो सेफ एंड प्रोटेक्टेड रहती
And
है।
also long lasts your bed sheet.
अच्छा, उसकी लाइफ भी बढ़
Yes,
जाती है।
आपकी बेड शीट की भी लाइफ बढ़ जाती
ओके,
है।
एंड दे
Yes.
कम अलोंग विद 2 पिलो कवर्स,
Yes,
क्योंकि
they-
आपको अदरवाइज एस्थेटिक्स चले जाएंगे
Yeah,
अगर आप
because
नॉर्मल
ideally, and if you've seen in hotels, you will see a bed cover
विद 2
with
मैचिंग
two pillow
पिलोस।
cover. Yes, it's a match which comes in, because this is also a very good decoration and an interior thing which
Correct,
people
correct.
use as. So you need the bed, the pillow covers also to
All
look
right.
aesthetically good.
Okay.
People use it during festivals a lot because
Okay.
yeah.
And also there's another reason, another point I would
Yeah.
like to add here. It also gives another look to your bedroom. Hypothetically, you're using now off-white bed sheet.
Yes,
And
yes.
you're using a lighter blue and matching your cover as a bed
Yeah.
cover. So night hours it gives you a different look. When you
Yes.
cover it with a lighter blue or a different tone, it gives a different look to
Yes,
your
and
bed, right?
also because bed sheets, of course, you change
Very often.
Very often, and then bed covers you can easily take with your interiors.
Right.
Because that will be on. And
Okay.
then, yeah.
Lovely.
Yes.
So we educated our viewers.
Yes.
That's the kind of videos we always prefer.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have done around 1,200 videos or so. I mean, not 200, 1,000 videos approximately we have done on Claptrap.
Yeah.
Every single store we feature, every single individual we meet, or the interior designer, be it furniture sellers or bedsheet seller,
Yeah.
we try to dig out these kind of piece of information because
Yes.
I believe they're like piece of diamonds. And nobody
Yeah.
gives away just like that. Thanks a lot for sharing this wonderful information.
Yes.
Time to unveil now.
Yeah,
We'll show some bed covers
We'll
now.
show you a lot of varieties in bed cover.
Okay.
Yeah, and it will go on to higher range also.
Okay.
Yes.
So start now.
Yes, we'll start. We'll
Okay.
start with 690.
Okay.
Okay, this is raw silk. Okay, this is a raw silk bed cover. and it comes in very nice, beautiful color. It will give you a, you know, a shine also. That's why it's raw silk. You know, it's 90 by 100, and it's also reversible, as I told you. So you can, you know,
use it from both the sides.
From both the side, yes, yes. I'll showcase you the designs.
So these are the bed covers.
The bed covers.
Primarily, they come in the light, darker shades only because they are for the bed sheet protection,
yes,
right?
Yes,
but
yes.
they are available in lighter shades
yes,
as well.
so for you know, because people do have their own choices, people do have their own color of walls and wallpapers.
They
so
would
that's
like
why,
to match it
yes,
with
but
the scheme.
most of it will come in, you know,
Darker
like if
shades.
we have 6, then 5 will be dark, 1 will be light.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So this is the bed sheet starting from the range of
690.
690.
Yes,
Okay.
raw silk and reversible.
Okay.
Yes.
This is pink. This is blue. And this is maroon.
Maroon.
Okay, and that one?
That's also blue and pink.
Okay.
This is
one
pink
little-
and green.
Okay.
And that's blue and pink.
And this is fluorescent.
This one is like rust,
Okay.
dark rust, and this is more
All right.
green.
ठीक है.
Yes.
We go to the next one now.
Yes. Now we'll go to 750.
Okay.
Okay, and this is a very beautiful piece with 750 and jam satin. If you see that this has this
Wow.
a little.
Why don't I use this as a bed sheet?
No, you shouldn't.
Huh? Okay. I'm attracted to
This
the
is a
colors.
bed cover. You know,
Okay, this
you
has
know
got a
what?
net in between.
Yeah, because when you'll sleep, you know,
Okay.
it's
Achha, this is this part as well.
yes, this
double
is this
layering
part.
is done.
Yes, this is double layering. Then
Okay.
a little net double layering, which
Okay,
gives a
okay.
very nice
All right.
design to it.
ठीक है.
750.
This is in the range of 750. All in
Yes.
this one is 750, 750, 750.
Yes, all the ones which I'm showing you right now is 750. This is jam satin,
Okay.
the fabric.
Okay. Jam satin.
Jam satin, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
इन सब में
this,
नेट है बीच में?
in sub में mostly yes.
अच्छा,
mostly
काफी में है, किसी में
and
नहीं है.
and this also comes with this kind of a zip bag, which you can very easily use for gifting.
Okay.
People do gift a lot of
Acha.
bed covers.
Okay.
You know, whenever people are looking for, you know, in weddings they want to gift something in like a 750. It gives the look and feel of, you know, 1500 as a gift. So yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Also for those entrepreneurs, individual
Yeah.
entrepreneurs, you are creating or they are.
Yeah.
So for them also this is relatively easy to just to maintain the inventory
Yeah,
because everything
yeah.
will be in place, intact, and it will not fall apart, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
this bag will help. Right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
of course. Easy
Okay.
to manage. Yeah, the
All right.
inventory. Yes.
One question I want to ask you.
Yeah.
When was the last time when you shopped like this? This reminds me of me going with my mother.
Yeah.
She used to buy saris. We used to sit on the floor and shop.
yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you know,
Very traditional way of doing it.
we are like in Chandni Chowk, and believe me or not, like. 70-80% of the people do buy from super wholesalers, and maybe
Okay.
just take this bed sheet and a bed cover to a fancy place with 1,000 lights and then just get it for double the price.
I know,
So,
I know. This
yeah.
has a fun of its own.
Yes.
This kind of seating
Yeah.
arrangement, trust me, I'm enjoying it thoroughly.
Nice.
Starting the bed covers now, let's start with this.
This is 850.
Okay.
This is silk.
Okay.
Okay, and this is 90 by 100. Again, gives a very nice traditional look to it. People do look forward to it. It's a little, you know, if it has a shine to it.
Okay.
So more festive, more wedding,
Okay.
gifting. Even, you know, while the wedding is at home.
All
so
right.
these
this is
kind-
little Kashmiri pink.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is in the
blush
blue color.
pink and
Okay.
yeah.
This has got a little beige and copper tone, right?
Yes,
Copper
yes.
and magenta.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
this has got pink, and then this is the last one. Can I see that one?
The red with the grey.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
So these are the colors in this.
Yes.
This is in the range of.
800.
Okay. ठीक है. So these are all. That's all what we have in this range.
Yes, in the 850 range.
अच्छा.
In the
okay,
850
अच्छा
range.
कभी-कभी हो सकता है मेरे से थोड़ा slip of tongue हो जाए.
Yeah, yeah.
So you said 850 rupees.
850,
This
yes.
one is for 850.
Yes,
rupees. We are going to
850.
the next one.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we'll move to 1,050, 1,000 plus, you know, variety. Now this comes in velvet. Okay.
Oh,
This comes in velvet, and then once you'll just touch it, you'll get that this is heavy.
Yeah, this is very
This is heavy. This is for 1,050. Again, you know, very widely used, big
Must be
size.
around 2.5-3 kg, huh? Not less than that,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
3 kgs.
3
It comes in
kgs?
a 3 kg
Oh, okay.
thing. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and these are the kind of
This is more like a jacquard pattern. Generally,
Yes.
this kind of fabric is used for your sofa upholstery.
Yes.
Because
yes.
the mercantile is very high. Just the rubbing count, the more you rub it, I mean, it never waves off. It
Yeah.
wears off actually.
Yes.
So
yes.
that's the kind of fabric is used for this. So we have this grey color, also we have a blue color, then we have a brown color, then we have
Yeah,
this wine color,
and this has combination of
wine
like,
and gold. Every color
with
has-
gold and with silver, as in the color palettes which you will get in this is with silver or gold.
Okay.
Yes.
Either in contrast with it, silver
yes,
or
yes.
gold.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And where are we going now? Okay, so going to the next segment now.
Yes. Yes.
क्या प्राइस
Now-
रेंज में?
So the segment remains the same, which is
Okay.
1050.
Uh-huh.
But I'll show you king size in it, and the unique point in this is it's king size, and it comes with 2 pillow covers and 2 cushion covers.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so this is a 5-piece set.
Oh,
which
now
will
you get 2 cushions covers
Yeah, the
extra.
styling ones, the people who style their bed sheets with cushions and a lot of pillow covers, it's for them.
Okay.
Okay, so again, you'll see the tissue, lining into it. So the tissue lining with this, which makes it a very nice sheen thing,
Okay.
and a decoration to it. But this
Perfectly suitable for wedding.
yeah. So this
Right?
is all festive, all wedding, and
corporate gifting and
yes, but
birthdays.
I feel that these days people are so cautious about how they style their home.
Okay.
They do use it for every day.
अच्छा, for a stylish lifestyle also.
Yeah,
this is
but
very
if I talk about the earlier ones which we show, which had like those golden and silver zari, those are more festives, but
Okay.
these are like more like very
Daily
subtle
lifestyle.
colors, and but yes, daily people do use it.
Okay.
Yes.
I am liking this one. This has got better pattern, and this
Yeah.
one is also very nice.
Yeah.
This
yeah.
one is in beige color. People, those who like pastel shade. This one has got pink. Huh? Okay.
Yes.
Can I see this? ये जरा आप दिखा देंगे खोल के?
So it's the same color if you see, but the
Design is
center thing. I also want to showcase the cushion along with it.
Okay.
So
अच्छा, आप एक हमें ऐसा सेट करके दिखा रहे हैं कि ये कैसा दिखाई देगा?
So yeah. So these are 2 pillow
Uh-huh.
with this, and these are the 2 cushions, like
Acha.
the mini cushions.
Oh, this actually makes it little in the luxury segment, because
Yes.
we would generally design beds like this with 2 matching pillow covers.
And 2 cushions,
And-
yes.
Right. And people run from pillar to post to find these kind of matching cushion covers.
Yes.
But they never get it.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
we have
So
to
life with
cater
me.
to each kind of audience.
Okay.
So 1050, and you get these 5 pieces into it.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
We're going to the next one.
Yes. Now we'll move. I'll show you the colors.
Okay, in the
this.
same price range.
Yeah, in the same. I like this. This is such a nice, pretty. Like a more tree and branch
Okay.
thing. So this.
Light green, this one. Summer green is it?
Yes.
Okay.
This.
In the same price range.
In the same
1050.
1050. Yes.
Okay.
1050.
ठीक है. In the same range. We continue now. This one more. जब तक आप हमें नीचे का पेपर दिखा दीजिए.
Yeah.
ये एक हमने समर ग्रीन देखा था. ये भी एक 1050 के रेंज में ये भी.
Yes.
Acha.
Yes. Again. So tissue,
Acha.
like the tissue design in the center,
Acha.
with different designs and embroidery over it, and 1050.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is also for 1050. This one again is for 1050. This has
Yes.
got a little pastel shade for people those who
This
like
is more
English
into
colours.
brown tones and yeah.
Pastel
this
shades.
Is, yes.
Okay. Going to the next one now. ये क्या रेंज में?
Yeah. Now this comes to 1260. This is
Okay.
more. If I say that this is more royal velvet,
Okay.
which we move.
And they're getting heavier. Huh?
Yes, with
Okay.
with velvet and that thing, it gets a little heavy. Again, wedding, festive, and different color patterns, mostly dark.
अच्छा.
Dark
इसमें हमारे पास कलर्स जो अभी हम देख रहे हैं वो ब्लू है और ये हमारे पास एक ब्राउन है और
Yes.
साथ में एक मरून कलर में भी
Maroon,
है.
yes, yes.
एक
Red,
ब्लू वाला
maroon.
हम खोल के दिखा देंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स
Yeah,
को.
yeah, along with the
अच्छा.
cushion, and again this is reversible.
अच्छा. This also is reversible.
Yes, like this.
Okay.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
yeah,
But it has a beauty from this side. है ना?
Yes, of
इधर
course.
से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है ये.
I'll
Nice
also show
blue
you
color.
the cushions.
Okay. इसकी ये पिलो कवर्स हैं.
Yes, yes, pillow covers.
ठीक है. इसमें कुशन कवर्स नहीं है हमारे पास.
इसमें cushion नहीं है.
अच्छा.
1260. More festive, more gifting, and more
ठीक है.
royal. If I say
अच्छा,
so.
गिफ्टिंग की बात चल रही तो कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग के लिए बल्क में ऑर्डर खरीद सकते हैं.
Yeah.
ज़्यादा नंबर में क्वांटिटी में मिल जाएगा.
Yes.
Okay, very big one. द
Yeah.
एंट्री ऑफ द सुपरस्टार इज कमिंग इन एंड
Yes.
आई कैची है वो, उसको दिखाएंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स
Yes, yes.
ठीक
I'll
है,
just show you.
वाओ,
Yeah. So this again, you know,
Very
comes in a
beautiful.
patchwork,
Okay.
design.
Uh-huh.
This is Banarsi silk.
अच्छा,
Okay, this is Banarsi silk. Again, this is a 5-piece set,
my
which means
favorite,
2
I
pillow.
just loved it,
Yeah,
it's so beautiful.
yeah. You know,
sorry आप
you
कुछ
see
कह रहे थे, मेरे तो
the
रजिस्टर ही नहीं हुआ दिमाग में.
yeah, I was just saying that it's a 5-piece thing.
अच्छा.
5-piece set.
Okay.
To I'll just show.
बहुत खूबसूरत है ये, इसमें भी हमारे पास कलर वेरिएशन अलग अलग मिल जाएंगे.
Yes, for
अच्छा.
sure. Yeah.
ठीक है.
So these are the 2 pillow covers along with 2 big cushions.
Cushion
so the
covers.
other one, the earlier one I showed you was mini cushions.
Okay.
These are the normal.
अच्छा, 12 by 12.
Yes, the cushions.
16 by 16. ओके.
Yes.
जो पहले 12 by 12 थे, ये अब जो
Yeah.
कुशन साइज है वो 16 है.
Yes.
Even if we don't have 16, we should buy it for this.
Yeah. You buy the pillow cover.
Fillers जो है, fillers
along
हमें
with
लेने
this,
पड़ेंगे,
Yeah.
है ना? But they're so beautiful. I think nobody will object to it.
Yes,
They can buy
1660 beautiful patchwork. If you will just focus, every patch has a different. One is a more quilted one is more work one. So it's a very pretty, very intricately made piece.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
that's the beauty is the unevenness जो इसके अलग-अलग
Yes,
पैचेस हैं, बहुत
yes,
खूबसूरत हैं.
yes.
Even color
1440,
contrast is very good.
This is 1440.
All right.
Yes.
Spending too much time on this because it was nice.
Yeah.
In fact, there are a lot of competitors coming in now. ये भी
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा है ये.
Yeah.
This
yeah.
one is summer green. Then we have this mouse grey. And this one we have beige.
And this is
one
an
is a
orange
beige
one.
and orange.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है. This is in the same range.
1440.
1440.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to the next one.
It's a completely different design from the back.
Okay.
If I'll just show you from the back, let's ये पर पहले कुछ बताते हैं. So if you reverse, it's completely different design
Okay.
from the back.
Color palette is changing completely.
Yes,
It is totally
yes.
different from what it is from this side.
Yes, yes.
Okay. In the range of
1440.
okay 1440.
Yes,
है ना?
bed cover.
1440 रुपए का है ये.
Yes, हाँ जी.
ठीक है. इसमें एक दूसरा हमारे पास वेरिएंट है जो ब्लू ब्लैक के
हाँ, we
mix and
have
match है.
मतलब four variants into
Okay.
it. There's 1, 2 which I showed you,
And?
this is another, and this is black in black.
Okay.
This one.
All right. This one is in the black one.
Yes, yes.
Okay. अब हम नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट देखेंगे.
Yeah.
क्या सेगमेंट है, क्या प्राइस रेंज है उसका, जिसके बारे में अभी हम देखने जा रहे हैं.
Now we were almost concluding the video with 1620.
Okay.
Yeah, 1620. This is again velvet,
Uh-huh.
90 by 100, and again when velvet comes in, it comes with its own thickness.
अच्छा.
Yeah. But different designs which we showcase abhi is like the earlier one which we showcased you, had a pattern of velvet.
Right.
This pattern is different altogether.
Okay.
So
बट जनरली इनका जो केयर है वो वैसे जैसे नॉर्मल बेडशीट्स का होता है उस तरह से आपको रेगुलर बेसिस पे इनको क्लीन करना है.
yes. It is machine wash.
अच्छा.
Not to worry about that.
ओके. हैंड वॉश और मशीन वॉश आप
Yes.
सॉफ्ट
yes.
सोप में आप इनको वॉश कर लें. स्पेशली सिल्क का खास ख्याल रखना होगा.
Yeah, the raw
उनको आप
silks and the
यू हैव टू
silk one,
यूज
yes,
लिटिल
yes.
माइल्ड सोप
So like
rather
how
than
like
harsh
this
one.
is such a beautiful design.
Okay.
So in this velvet, if you'll see that it's velvet only, but the kind of designs you will get in this velvet 1620 is completely different.
Different from the others.
Yes.
Very
Those
nice.
were more traditional, which we just show.
Okay.
But these ones are different.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now we have another green in this. Then we have a brown in this. Okay. There's one
These
in
all
magenta.
almost come with a cream base.
अच्छा.
Cream contrast is what I'm talking
ठीक है.
about. So
जितने
yeah.
भी कलर्स हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके स्कीम से मैच हो ही जाएंगे.
Yes. Yes.
इसके साथ पिलो कवर्स भी हैं.
Yes.
Okay.
Pillow covers do come.
दो
with
pillow covers
every bed cover.
Okay.
Do
But some
two
of
pillow-
them have 2 pillow covers and 2
and two
cushion
cushions.
covers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is in the range of
1620.
okay.
Yeah.
1660 रुपए का ये. ठीक है.
1620.
20 sorry.
हाँ.
So it's 1620.
हाँ,
1620. Right.
1620.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Time to sign off now.
Yes.
And
for
before we
this video. But we have a part 2. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Before we sign off, it's important to ask a couple of basic questions. To start with, how to shop.
Yeah. So we offer both online and offline. Online, as we told you, that there will be a WhatsApp number which will be,
Flashing on the screen.
flashing on the screen in the description. You just have to message us. We have a team. You want to take a screenshot, or you want to tell us that in this range you are looking for bed sheets. We will show you the whole range in that thing.
Category.
Yes, in that category. If you want to take a screenshot, just take a screenshot, mark it up, and we'll showcase you that. You know, by opening it up and making you satisfied to the T.
Okay.
Then there is offline. Offline, we, as I told you, that we are in Chandni Chowk, Old Delhi. So there is Bikaner Wala, very everybody knows, very famous. You just reach there, give us a call, and we'll just send somebody, and they'll navigate.
Escort them.
Yes, and they'll navigate to our shop.
Okay.
Also, one more request that because it's a wholesale shop. So there are and there will be many a times that there will be a lot of people, or you might get some waiting. So it is preferably preferred that you give us a call, book a slot with us, or tell us that this time will be coming. So we'll make sure that you don't have to wait. So
okay, book a slot, kind of
book a slot. Yes,
okay.
yes. I want to come on Monday at 3 o'clock or 3 to 4. I'll not basically catch you with that you didn't come at 3 o'clock, but yes,
okay, yeah. It's easy.
Yes,
it's about being convenient.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because there are times when there is festive. There are times when there is a lot of waiting. So we don't want to lose
your time, your
yes,
precious time.
yes,
Otherwise,
yes.
you will spend a lot of time waiting.
Yeah.
So अगर हम देखें broadly, आपने बताया जिस तरह से दो तरह के कस्टमर हैं जो बल्क में खरीदना चाहते हैं और जो रिटेल में खरीदना चाहते हैं. फिर दूसरे वो हैं जो दिल्ली एनसीआर में पर्सनली विजिट करना चाहते हैं तो आपको कांटेक्ट करके
there are in fact like people coming, most of it actually not Delhi NCR, they come from out of Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
and especially for them this slot is very, very important because they have a long list to complete, right?
All right.
So there are both Delhi NCR and then like out of Delhi.
Okay.
Out of Delhi
people those who are sitting outside Delhi NCR, and if they want to place an order, they can book for one bed sheet or they can book for multiple bed sheets.
Yes.
And all the designs, I am not sure about you, but most of the time we mention this is again the price and the pattern designs all are subjected to the availability of the product. Maybe somebody is watching this video 1 year down the line and you may not have those designs. I'm not sure.
So that's why you can
face these kind of situations.
Of course, yes, we do. And people are very picky that we want that only. But trust me, with the time the variety will be better.
Correct.
Will get better, and we also trying to grow each day. So trust me, if you're watching this 1 year down the line, you're not getting this, but trust me, that's the better one which you're getting. so
you've got something better to do.
Yes, yes. So you tell us the range, and we'll tell you available, not available. Most of the time it is because we have a lot of quantity. But of course, that if somebody picks the whole lot, then of course we can't do. But yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
And this offer, the kind of the prices, we have been saying this during the video also. This is kind of you're getting almost at the 50% of the market price.
Yes, I'm sure you have also experienced the same.
Yeah, we have been using these kind of bed sheets.
Yeah, because people do shop from malls and online also these days, and people do feel that if it's a big
it's a big investment in a way.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So people those who are into interior business, hoteliers, or maybe hospital owners, or maybe those who run PGs in hostels, college, restaurants, even wherever there is a stay. People staying in multiple numbers. For them, I think it's a wonderful
things are opening up,
right.
so travel-wise also,
Cool.
Yeah.
Pleasure talking to you. Thanks a lot for walking out of the domain and showing us around. And it was fabulous talking to you. Fantabulous.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thanks a lot for sharing.
So this is what we want, like your comfort,
right.
Wherever you guys are comfortable.
Right.
We'll try to, customer service you till that. Yeah.
Right. And entire discourse was held in English deliberately to reach out to the maximum number of people. हालांकि हमने बीच-बीच में हिंदी में भी बात की थी.
Yes. But don't worry, we have like when you'll call and whatever, we'll
we have Hindi clients as well.
Yes.
ठीक है. All the bed sheets जो भी आपने price mention किए थे, GST and transportation charges is not included.
Yes,
just once
are
again.
above. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.